Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aishwarya. As you can read by the title of the video, I'm gonna be shaving my face. I've been thinking about this for a very long time, actually years now. I'm a very hairy girl, as you can see. I have a lot of hair here and here. Here I don't have a lot of hair, but then here I have a lot of hair. Also, my skin is not doing really well. I don't know why. I think it's because of the heat. But I've been thinking about shaving my face for a very long time, and I've never had the guts to do so. I have waxed my face once the past year. It was not a good experience at all. My skin flared up like crazy. I got a lot of pimples, like a lot. So waxing is not for me. I've seen so many YouTubers and so many people shave their face and never have a problem with it. So I thought, why not try it out and just see if it works out for me. So today I'm gonna shave all the hair off my face. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. So the razor that I'm going to be using is the Let's Shave razor. That's how it comes in a box. I actually wanted to use the Tinkle ones, but they were not available. But I saw really good reviews about this. It comes in a box like that, and I ordered it from Amazon. I've sanitized it, I've done the whole thing, and it comes in a pack of 3 like that. So you'll need your razors and a skin oil or really heavy moisturizer. The skin oil that I'm using is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Oil. I really like this. It's very nice and heavy. You can use any thick moisturizer that you have, and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna first open it up. I'm so nervous. Okay, it's gonna be fine. That is how the razor looks. It comes all covered, which is nice, and it has grip here, so that's good. We're gonna get started. First, I'm gonna completely drench my whole face with oil so that there's no friction. You should never do this. So I've seen a lot of videos on this so that I don't do anything wrong. And the one thing that everyone said is you cannot do this on dry skin. So it'll have cuts on your skin. So always use a nice skin oil or a heavy moisturizer, whatever you have, and drench your face completely with it. I'm gonna do the same so that there's no friction. Drench my face in oil. I don't want a single cut. Already I have so much going on my skin. And this is all because of eating mangoes. I can't stop eating mangoes and they're causing a lot of pimples on my face. It's fine. Okay, so we'll start with this side. I'm gonna apply a little bit more here. So you guys can clearly see the amount of hair I have here. So we'll see how this goes on. So you have to catch your skin like this, like that, so that the skin is extremely tight. And your razor should not be like this, Your razor has to be like this, at a 45-degree angle. So we're gonna do this. I'm so excited. Okay, if sometimes I see there, it's because I have my mirror there. So yeah. Okay, so it might look like I'm doing it really fast, but that's not the case. I've just increased the speed of the video, so do not do it fast. Go really slow and be really careful. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm catching all of my sideburns really tightly and removing whatever hair is left behind. Don't apply too much pressure, be really gentle. How clean does that look? Ew, there's so much hair and there's dead skin too. On your jawline, make sure to be really parallel to your skin because you can get cuts really easily. Here it might look like there's no hair coming off, but trust me, there was a lot of peach fuzz. Make sure to be really careful here because you don't want to like slash off your eyebrows. So now I'll be doing my forehead, and it might look like there's not much hair, but trust me, there's a lot of peach fuzz. Now, trust me, removing the peach fuzz creates such a big difference on your skin. Right now my skin is looking so bright and so clear. You'll see in the coming videos how my skin is looking. This really made a difference. Now for your upper lip area, what you're going to do is you're going to use your tongue to create that sort of a surface when you get your upper lip done in the salon. That's what you're going to do here so that there are no cuts and it's frictionless. Can you see me doing that with my tongue? That's exactly what you're going to do while shaving on your upper lip. And the same thing when it comes to your chin, you'll want to make that face that I'm making so that the surface is really nice and tight and you can get the hair properly without any cuts. What I'm doing here is I'm just checking if there's any place left that I've not done properly. It's very important to check once. Okay guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of hair. Ew, that's like dirty. A lot of hair has come out. I accidentally cut myself here a little bit. You can't see it. But be very light-handed. I also have hair here, but I didn't remove it there because I just don't want it to look, like too much. But yeah, that's how my skin looks. It feels so soft. I have never felt my skin feel so soft, like because I had so much hair. I have never felt my skin. It feels like a baby's butt. It feels so good. It feels so clean. Yeah, I'm not that good at it, but I'll get better maybe with time. Let's just see how it grows back. I hope it's not very pokey. I've heard that it's a myth. But yeah, that is how my skin is looking. I'll give you guys an update in like a week or two how it's growing and how fast is it growing. But yeah, that's how my skin is looking. It feels amazing. It just feels amazing, you guys. I'll give you an update in some weeks. How is it growing back and all of that. But yeah, I'm now gonna go wash my face and do my skincare routine. If you guys have not seen my nighttime skincare routine, link it up here somewhere. Go check it out. I'm gonna do that and we'll see how this turns out, if it's good or no. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just move an ice all over my face to just cool my face down, because obviously our face has never been through like such a thing, like shaving or anything. I'm just gonna like, wow, it feels so good. I'm just gonna cool my face down. As you guys can see, my hair is all gone. I didn't touch my brows because I can't do that. I can't risk it with my brows, but I did it everywhere else I could. Trust me, you'll want to do this step. It makes a whole lot of difference and it feels so good in this hot summer, and you can also do it on a daily basis. It's amazing. Face feels so baby soft. I have never felt my face like this. Like, I never knew my face could feel so soft. It just looks so clean. Obviously, if I didn't have these acne marks, it would have looked more clean. So yeah guys, I shaved my face and I think I'm gonna love it. I think I'm gonna love how it looks. I'm gonna give an update, in some other video to see how it's growing back and like if it is pokey or whatever it is. But yeah, I'm very excited to see how my face, what happens, and like how it grows back. Is it really fast or does it take time? Yeah, but I'm very, very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. And I'm gonna catch you really soon in a new video. Bye.